In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Exness standard cent account in MT4, MT5, and make your first deposit. We'll go step by step from creating your account to funding it with a small amount so you can start practicing safely. A standard cent account is perfect if you want real market conditions with very small position sizes because your balance is shown in cents rather than dollars. Begin by visiting the official Exness website and registering for an account. Use an email address you can access and create a strong, unique password. Then complete your personal details and verification. Verification is required by the broker to keep your account secure and to comply with regulations. So have your documents ready and follow the on-screen prompts. Once your profile is verified, log into your personal area, often called the PA. This is your dashboard for managing accounts, deposits, and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, then head to the My Accounts section. Here, click Open Account or the plus icon. From the list of account types, scroll until you find Standard Cent and select it. A cent account displays balances and trade sizes in cents, which helps you practice risk management with minimal capital. Now configure the account. For currency, choose USC, which stands for US cent, so your balance will be denominated in cents. For example, $1 appears as 100 USC. Next, select your trading platform, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. MT4 is widely used and straightforward. MT5 is newer with additional features and instruments. Either is fine. Pick the one you prefer or the one your tools support. Set your leverage as needed. Exness may offer options up to 1, unlimited. Remember, leverage magnifies both gains and losses, so choose conservatively if you're just starting out. Click Continue and create a strong trading password between 8 and 15 characters, combining letters, numbers, and a special symbol. This trading password is used to connect your platform to the account. Keep it private and different from your main login password. To fund the account, go to the deposit section in your personal area. Choose your preferred payment method, such as an e-wallet or card. Select the new USC account to ensure the money goes to the right place. Then deposit a small amount. $1 to $5 is enough to start. Processing times and fees can vary by method. After the deposit is successful, your balance will show in cents, so a $1 deposit appears as 100 USC. That's it. You've registered, created a standard cent account, configured it, and made your first deposit. Trade responsibly, enable extra security in your account settings, and contact support if anything doesn't look right.